Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen CC R line. This is the car that came before the Arteon. I've always loved them, but I've never had the chance to drive one. We got this one in inventory and I'm like, alright, I have to check it out. It's an absolutely beautiful spec, this wonderful blue on tan and black leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Powered by the Turbo 2.0. Not bad at all. Frameless windows. And we're inside. Always loved the interior of these. Adjustable armrest. You can raise it up like so. Start off in normal drive, then we'll move over to sport. This thing's absolutely beautiful for its age. Keep in mind, this thing's pretty much 6 years old now. Very, very nice, relaxed drive to it. It's not in your face like this Audi that's doing U-turns. Tons of thrust from this 2.0. Same 2.0 that's found in the GTI as well. Steering wheel, excellent size. Fits in the hand very nicely. Where are you going? This one has the DSG transmission. Even though it's an older DSG, it's still really, really nice drive. Shifts are nice and crisp. It's really, really nice. Visibility's great too. That's why I love this test track, because you can just sit here and observe. Can I see? Can I not see? bump it down into sport, see what that changes. I'll go one better. I'll try manual mode because the DSG is a dual clutch. So manual mode still operates a clutch. Downshifts are nice. Wow, they got that right. Sometimes the downshifts from second to first can be very, very bad. But they got it right. They tuned it so it rev matches. It hauls, man. Even with the DSG, you do have hill start assist. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.